Go ahead. Now? You ready now? Alright, go.
Hi, I'm Danielle.
Daddy eats first.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Danielle, and I'd like to sing Payphone by Adam Levine.
Okay.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where all the times go, baby, it's all wrong. Where the plans we made for two. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You said it's too late to remember, but is it too late to try? On all of our bridges, but now I've wasted my life. You turned out the lights, now I'm paralyzed. Too stuck in that time when we couldn't look for even the sunsets. I'm paralyzed. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where all the times go, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. If all those fairy tales are full of it, and one more stupid love song, I'd be sick. Now I'm not a payphone.